So today's video is brought to you by my very own coffee, Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. It's available in a K-Cup, whole bean, and pre-ground 16-ounce bag. You can find it at justadadcoffee.com, or right underneath the video, you will see the products displayed and you click on them and purchase them right there. Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and a review on the Shark VACMOP. So it comes with a charger. I've taken everything out of the box. Here's what you get. You get some pads, some liquid. But the machine we got to put together. Now there is a cable. Be very careful when you're unboxing this. The cable runs through the entire length, but we got to snap these ends together. Now you're going to notice this white thing's going to go towards the back. Snap it into place. And again, there is a wire down in here, so be careful. This one here, it's a little trickier. So the handle is going to point to the back of the machine. So the handle curve and the trigger point towards the white thing. Snap it on. You should, yeah, so now there it's in place. It's got a trigger, it's got a battery in, so be careful. So this is the charger that it comes with. So you got to plug this into the wall, and now you're going to plug this in right here. Okay, so this is has a rechargeable battery in it. It's going to do two things. It's going to spray solution down, and it's going to have a vacuum in it. That's what this is. And this thing does two things too. It's got an area where the debris is going to go in when you vacuum, but then the bottom of it's also the mopping part of it. Now up here we have two buttons. This button, that's the vacuum cleaner part. It's spring loaded. The same with this. This is the trigger for the solution. When I press this, I'm going to get solution that comes out. Oh yeah, it comes out right here at the top of this machine. So it's going to spray out at a fan. Now putting these on is very simple. And again, this part, the blue stripe goes down. And there's an opening right here. That's going to be for the dry material to get sucked into this little chamber right here. So that's going to go forward, this blue stripe on the top. And that fits into you'll see there's like a recessed area here. So again, you just place it on the floor and you're just going to line this up and it kind of snaps into place. Now when you're all done with it, all you got to do, you don't have to touch this, just to press this and put it in the trash can. It's going to have your dry material and your mop part all together. So again, put that on the floor and it kind of just sets on there. It doesn't really snap that really hard into the machine. Now we can mop and vacuum at the same time. Here's the solution that we're going to put in. We're going to put this solution in at full strength. There's an opening right here. We're going to open this up and we're going to dump this all the way in. Now there's a light on the front that tells us a few things. Let's read the manual. When it's solid white, that means it's normal, you've got it on and you're using it. When you've got low battery, it's going to be blinking white. Blinking red means it's almost ready to die. Rapid blinking, it's out of battery. When it's pulsing white, that means it's charging. When it's fully charged, it'll be solid white, but the light will turn off after 5 minutes. Now you can leave this appliance plugged in all the time. That light's going to come on when it's fully charged, but then it goes away when it's fully charged after 5 minutes. Okay, so here we got a mess. Now when you operate this, if you've got the vacuum on, you cannot spray solution. So it's either or. I'm going to vacuum up the mess first, and then I'm going to spray solution and we'll do the mopping. So again, I pull the trigger. Does a good job vacuuming. Okay, now I'm going to mop. It sprays out a nice pattern. Okay, so now it did a really good job. If you get too aggressive with it, some of the material will come out of the front of it. Now again, you're going to take this over the trash can. Just press that red button. It all comes out. Now again, this did pick up quite a bit of coffee. Now some of it, I was kind of pushing it too hard. Some of it did come back out. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching. So thanks everybody for watching my video today. Underneath the video, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that really helps out my YouTube channel. Again, you can purchase all this coffee right below the video. You'll see links to them, or go to justadadcoffee.com. I really do appreciate everybody's support. Recently, YouTube just sent me my 100,000 subscriber plaque. That would not be possible without everybody's support. So again, I really appreciate it. I'm excited for this new adventure, branding my own coffee. It tastes really good, and I hope you're going to definitely like it. Again, hoping somebody asks you what your favorite cup of coffee is. It's Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. And again, thanks so much for watching the YouTube channel. Also, be sure and check out my Just a Dad Videos group page on Facebook. This is where I do my free giveaways. So when I'm done with my products, I do a free giveaway on there, and you can kind of see behind the scenes of how I make my videos. Also, check out my podcast, Coffee with Dad Podcast. This is where I interview different people. I love to hear everybody's story, and I just think everybody has a story they want to tell. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and thanks so much. Miss Fiona always knows when I'm doing a recording.